Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to see that how we can create a table in HTML. So let's say suppose after this H6 heading I want to insert one table, right? So I'll come back to my VS Code, and then after this H6 heading I'll write a table tag, right? So and within this table tag then I'm going to define one row, table row with tr tag, and then the table heading, right? So let's say in the first I will giving a name as first column, right? Column 1, and then I'm going to copy paste this 1 2 3, and then I'm going to replace this text. Okay, and then after that I'm going to copy paste this, right? Just a second. And instead of th I would like to give td, right? So I'll replace all the th with td, that is table description tag, and this one is the table heading tag, right? th is the table heading tag and td is the table description tag. And in the column 1 I would like to write name 1, then name 2, and then name 3, right? And I'm going to copy paste this 2 more times, and here I'll write, instead of name I'll write email, right? And here I'll write contact. Now I'll save this file, and now I'll come back to my UI. So here you can see that the table has been inserted in an HTML. So thank you. That's all for this video. I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video with some new topic. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. Thank you. That's all for this video.